Hi guys, and I'm going to have to do this speedrun again because I realised that this label was not finished and it really got to me. So there we go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put all the names on there first and put those first correctly so that we don't make that mistake again. So it's magnesium sulfate, sodium carbonate, and then the name of the precipitate is magnesium carbonate. Okay, so just change that to a little down. The time is ticking, so I need to make sure that this gets done very, very quickly. I'm going to fit that in. I think 8 was okay last time. Okay, so, and might as well put the formula in, but I'm just going to concentrate on these now. Right, okay, so I'm going to copy that, paste that into here. Oh, let's do that. Here we go. Paste that there. So if you didn't see my first speed run, basically I'm just copying and pasting each and every single ion. So might as well just copy paste just around there. So these are the ions that you need to have labeled. Just make sure that they're all lined up as well. Paste. Okay, and I think I can beat some time. I can shave some time because I can actually do these as well at the same time. I'm just going to align them up in a moment. Okay, let's have a look. So, oops, there we go. So move this one at the top. There we go. Right, okay, so sodium's next. So copy that here. So paste. Okay, it should be alright. Paste. And then we need to have sodium here. Okay, and now the carbonate is this one. So the name of the carbonate should go there. Okay, now I'm gonna copy paste. Just realised I've missed some of the sodiums on the right hand side. I'm gonna put that right in a moment. Carbonates. So shift that over here. So paste. That needs a little bit of lining up, so it's going to take a bit of time. So that here. That little bit there. That's right. Okay, so the magnesium's in here needs to be labelled as well. There we go. Magnesium's labelled, carbonate's labelled, and the sodium needs to be labelled as well. So I need that one to save a bit of time. There we go. Yeah, let's get that down. 6 minutes 41 is what I need to beat. Okay, so that's there. Right, so sodium carbonate. Now what I can do is I can put the Na2CO3. This is the tricky one because what I need to do is I need to put the formula there and I need to have the prefix as well. So I think I change that to there, delete that, and then go for format text. That was probably format text subscript. That's the easiest way. Na2CO3, get rid of the ions. Right, okay. Okay, delete that and delete that. Right, okay, so I'm just going to put the font size up a little bit there. Let's go for 10. There we go, so you can actually see that. Right, sodium carbonate Na2CO3 contains Na plus ions and CO3 2 minus ions. Mg2 plus, SO4 2 minus, that's magnesium sulfate. When you mix the two ions, the magnesium, okay, so that goes here, and the carbonate, so get the carbonate, it's going to waste time. Okay, there we go, delete that, and then, oh, where did that come from? I'm just going to go for the carbonate here instead. So paste it here when it is, it's gone there. So move that over here. Carbonate ion goes there, and I think that's it. So thanks very much for watching. Just doing a double check, that's 5 minutes, sub 5 minutes. And all the ions are labelled there, all the ions are labelled there, all the ions are correctly labelled there. Magnesium sulfate, sodium carbonate, you've got the name of the magnesium carbonate precipitate there, you've got the formula, those two formula, and you've got the correct ions. Sub 5 minutes. Let's see if you can do it yourself. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye for now.